Welcome, University Utara Malaysia students, to a journey of knowledge and discovery. You are now entering the classroom of Dr. Muhaizam bin Musa, a place where academia meets practicality, and learning is an engaging and fun adventure. He is an engaging lecturer from School of Economics, Finance, and Banking. As we dive into this video, remember that success here requires more than just absorbing information. It involves actively engaging with the material, challenging your own perspectives, and refining your skills to rise to the top. Whether you're a seasoned academic or a fresh-faced learner, this video is designed to give you the expectations and the know-how to excel in Dr. Muhaizam's class. So sit back, open your minds, and prepare for a transformative educational experience. Let's begin, shall we? How can you, as a university student, achieve academic excellence and become a critical thinker? This is the question we will explore today. In an ever-evolving world, being a critical thinker and excelling academically isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about understanding, analyzing, and applying knowledge. It involves reading beyond the course material, embracing technology, and communicating confidently. All these skills are key to becoming a well-rounded individual, ready to meet the future demands of the industry. In the next few minutes, we will break down this process into easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, understanding the subject is the key to academic excellence. Dive right into the heart of the matter, because the crux of it all is understanding, not just memorization. Yes, memorization can help you pass an exam, but it's the understanding that will help you apply what you've learned in real-world situations. Let's think about it. When you understand a subject, you can discuss it, analyze it, and even argue about it. That's where the true learning lies. So how do we go about achieving this understanding? One way is to take thorough notes, not just copying what's on the board or what the professor is saying, but jotting down your thoughts, questions, and insights as you go along. This active engagement with the material helps to deepen your understanding. Another way is to participate actively in class. Don't just be a passive listener. Ask questions, contribute to discussions, and challenge ideas. This is not about showing off, but about pushing your thinking, testing your understanding, and learning from others. And speaking of questions, don't be afraid to ask them. Whether it's in the middle of a lecture, during office hours, or in a study group, questions are your best friend. They clarify doubts, uncover new perspectives, and stimulate deeper thinking. Also, try to relate the subject to your everyday life. This might sound a bit challenging, but it's a powerful way to enhance understanding. For instance, if you're studying banking, you could start observing and analyzing the banking activities in your community. Finally, review and rephrase. After studying a topic, try to explain it in your own words. This not only tests your understanding, but also helps you retain the information. Remember, understanding is a journey, not a destination. It's about exploring, questioning, and even struggling with the subject matter. It's perfectly okay not to understand everything at once. The key is to keep trying, keep learning, and keep engaging with the material. When you understand the subject matter, you are laying a strong foundation for academic success. Furthering your knowledge by reading beyond the course material is an effective way to enhance critical thinking. Now, don't get me wrong, the course material is essential. It's the foundation, the building blocks of your understanding. But to truly excel and reach a deeper comprehension, reading beyond is a game changer. Think of it like exploring a new city. The course material is your map, guiding you through the main streets and attractions. But wandering off the beaten path, that's where you discover hidden gems, quirky coffee shops, and breathtaking views you wouldn't find otherwise. Reading beyond the course material is your ticket to these hidden gems of knowledge. When you expose yourself to a variety of sources, you're broadening your perspective. You're not just seeing the subject through the lens of your professor or textbook, but through the eyes of different experts, each with their unique insights and interpretations. This diversity of viewpoints can spark new ideas and fuel your critical thinking. Moreover, it can deepen your understanding of the subject. When you read different books related to the course, you encounter varied explanations, examples, and analogies. Sometimes all it takes is a different phrasing or a fresh example to make a concept click. But it's not just about understanding. Reading beyond the course material can also make you a more analytical learner. Instead of just memorizing facts, you'll start questioning them, analyzing them, connecting them to other pieces of information. You'll be actively engaging with the material, which is a surefire way to remember and understand it better. Now, I know what you're thinking. I barely have time to keep up with the course material and now you want me to read extra books? Yes, time is a precious commodity, especially in university. But consider this. A few extra hours spent reading now can save you countless hours of confusion and cramming later. Plus, it's an investment in your future self, equipping you with a sharper mind and a richer understanding. Remember, the more you read, the more you know, and the more you can critically analyze. So go ahead, pick up that extra book. Dive into that fascinating article. You've got this. In this digital age, technology plays a significant role in learning. We are not just talking about using a laptop to take notes or browsing the internet for research. We're delving into the deeper, more transformative effects of technology on our learning processes. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one such game changer. It's not just about robots and self-driving cars. AI can also be a powerful tool in learning and research tool. Generative artificial intelligence responses used in many AI models, for instance, can provide learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and learning style to acquire information. If students use it ethically and not to simply copy and paste these work, this personalized approach can help you grasp complex concepts more efficiently than a one-size-fits-all lecture. Big data is another powerful tool. Imagine having access to vast amounts of information, analyzed and organized in a way that makes sense. Big data can help identify patterns and trends, making it easier for you to understand and remember complex topics. Data analytics tools can help you sift through this sea of information, helping you focus on what's truly important. Moreover, technology can aid in quick understanding of complex concepts. Visual learning tools can simplify and illustrate complex ideas, making them easier to grasp. Interactive simulations can provide hands-on experience, helping you learn by doing. Technology can also make learning more accessible. Online platforms can bring education to your fingertips, allowing you to learn anytime, anywhere. Podcasts, online courses, ebooks, and educational apps have revolutionized the way we learn, making education more flexible and convenient. But it's not just about consuming information. Technology also empowers you to create, to collaborate, and to communicate your ideas more effectively. Digital tools can help you present your work in more engaging and creative ways, enhancing your critical thinking and problem-solving skills. So don't shy away from technology. Embrace it. Learn to use these tools to your advantage. They can make your learning journey smoother, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Remember, in this rapidly changing world, your ability to adapt and to learn is your greatest asset. Embrace technology, and it will make your learning journey smoother and more efficient. Confidence in communication is not just a soft skill, but a necessity in the academic and professional world. Let's dive into this. When we talk about confidence in communication, we're not just talking about public speaking or nailing that group presentation. It's about expressing your thoughts clearly, standing up for your ideas, and contributing to class discussions. It's about making your voice heard and your ideas known. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a confident speaker. I get nervous, I stumble on my words. Trust me, we've all been there. Even the most eloquent speakers have had their share of butterflies in their stomachs. But here's the thing. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build. So how do you build this confidence? First and foremost, know your material. Understand what you're talking about. This comes from diligent study, reading beyond the course material, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your field. Second, practice. There's a reason why they say practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the better you get. Start small. Speak up in class discussions. Share your thoughts. Ask questions, then slowly graduate to larger audiences. Third, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone stumbles, everyone fumbles. But it's from these stumbles and fumbles that we learn and grow. When you make a mistake, own it, learn from it, and move on. Lastly, believe in yourself. You have ideas that are worth sharing. You have knowledge that others can benefit from. You have a unique perspective that can add value to any discussion. Remember, communication is not a one-way street. It's about listening as much as it's about speaking. So listen to others, respect their ideas, and learn from them. This will not only make you a better communicator, but also a better learner. With confidence in your communication, you can effectively share your ideas and contribute positively to any discussion. And that is the power of confidence in communication. It's a tool, a skill, a weapon. Use it wisely. So how can you achieve academic excellence and become a critical thinker? Let's quickly revisit the main points we've covered today. Firstly, understanding the subject is of paramount importance. Don't just memorize facts and figures, but strive to comprehend the logic behind them, the principles that guide them. Secondly, read beyond the course material. Broaden your knowledge by diving into supplementary resources, books, and articles. This will not only provide a deeper understanding of your subject, but also stimulate your ability to think critically and analytically. Thirdly, don't underestimate the role of technology in learning. Embrace tools like AI and big data to enhance your learning experience. They can help you gather information more efficiently, interpret it effectively, and ultimately, gain a quicker understanding of the world around you. Finally, remember that communication is key. Be confident in expressing your ideas, in discussions, presentations, or even casual conversations. This will not only help you in your academic journey, but also prepare you for the demands of the future workforce. By following these steps, you are on your way to becoming a successful university student and a critical thinker. Remember, the journey to academic excellence is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, keep growing. We've talked a lot about individual efforts in learning, but let's not forget another vital component of academic excellence: teamwork. Working effectively and collaborating as a team in your assignments is crucial for practicing communication, leadership, and entrepreneurship skills. Teamwork in classwork allows for the distribution of tasks and fosters a sense of responsibility. Each member has a role to perform, and the success of the project depends on everyone doing their part. This not only reduces the workload, but also teaches you how to manage your time and resources effectively. Moreover, teamwork enhances your communication and leadership skills as you interact and coordinate with team members. It requires you to articulate your ideas clearly, listen to others, and make collective decisions. This is an invaluable experience that prepares you for future professional environments. Additionally, it provides an opportunity to practice entrepreneurship skills. Managing a team is similar to managing a small business. You have to allocate resources, delegate tasks, and make decisions that will lead to the successful completion of the project. This experience can be a stepping stone towards becoming a future leader or entrepreneur. So remember, good teamwork is a key component of academic excellence and critical thinking. As you embark on group projects and collaborative tasks, take the opportunity to learn from others, to lead, and to grow. Because after all, we can achieve so much more when we work together. For more tips and resources on mastering university studies and becoming a critical thinker, don't forget to visit our website. You can find us at muhammadmuhaizam.weebly.com. Our site is packed with additional resources and much more to help you on your academic journey. It's a treasure trove of information that is just a click away, so make sure to check it out and keep that thirst for knowledge alive. See you there. Thank you for listening.